Hello, my name is Annika. I've been in the UAE for the last 18 years. I work as a director of operations at a retail company in Dubai. I've been coming to Kaya for the past 8 years for all my skin, hair and body services. The main focus for me is on skin reviving. I'm a big fan of treatments that uses our natural body power, like PRP, stem cells and laser, which improve the collagen production. These services may not show immediate results, but of course, they have a long-term natural looking effect, which is something I was looking for. When it comes to booking appointments, I find using WhatsApp very fast and convenient. At the clinic level, the Kaya team nurses are highly qualified and friendly. At Kaya, I have complete trust into Dr. Mansi. Her recommendations have always been spot on for me, and I'm extremely satisfied with the services she has suggested. Not only at a professional level, Dr. Mansi is a very fine, honest and compassionate person. Because of my long-term relationship with Dr. Mansi, I was open to see Dr. Sanjay, an established surgeon from Kokuna. Dr. Sanjay is as well a professional, experienced and humble person. He provides personalized recommendations which surely will work for you. I can truly recommend Kaya and Kokuna. Both have set the benchmark extremely high, each with their own expertise. What sets Kaya apart is the fact that they combine services together to achieve the best, ultimate, long-lasting result.